Hey guys, welcome to my channel Viceman, and today I will show you unboxing and review of this clothes hanger. It can hold up to 40 kg of clothes and made up of unique materials and plastic. The size is given, which is 460 by 460 mm by 700 mm, and I ordered it from Amazon. So I purchased this for 44 dirhams, as you can see, and it comes with this kind of luggage holder, you can see, so you can easily hold this if you are traveling or if you are moving this. So let's open this. Okay. So you are getting wheels to move this and some plastic material. So what we are getting two blocks, bigger blocks, and a packet of screws, 4 wheels, and there is no manual for this how to assemble, which is very bad. So I need to watch the image of this and I need to then assemble this. So which is, let's see. So we are getting around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 thin but long rods. So we have 18 number of long thin rods. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 we have a step of this thin rods. Then we have 2 thick long rods, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 thick short rods. So this we have this 2 is for base. This is 2 for base, and we are getting about so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 8 are for side angles. Then 2, 3. So these 4 again are the wide angles we have. So we have side angles, we have wide angles also, and this will come over here. So we have total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 side angles. These 2 are for wings, and these 2. And we have one more like this. So these are the total number of you can say components coming out of this. So now let's assemble these quickly and make. So first step is that you need to put these 2 like this, and you can use, so these rods, which are the thick one, comes inside this. So in this way, the base will be the first step. The second step is that you need to first make. So first step is to make this base. Now what we will do, we will try to make this inside flaps. You can see 3 flaps. So we will try to make this, right? So, or what we can do, we can first try to put this side rods, because we need to screw this. So it may be possible. So let's first make this flap, 3 different flaps by our own, and then we can assemble this. So to make a flap, what we need this thing, right? And these rods, which are 6 rods. So these six rods which we have, we will use this first to put this over here. So as you can see, in this side wings we need to fix like this. Right? So this has been done. Now what we will do, so this has been done. We need these wings over here. So we need screws. So over here there are different types of screws. So you can see we have 4 smaller and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12 larger screws, and we have this nuts. So first step is that the next step after that is that you need to make this kind of bridge. Be sure these things come up like this straight, and this edges, this will come down like this. So this is, you have to be sure this angular part comes down. Now you need these wings, which you can fasten this over here. So this side we have this holes for making the pipes arrangement. So be sure this smooth edge will be outwards. Place this and place the screw to fasten this like this, and use this bolts to tighten it. So now it is not moving, it is moving upwards but not moving downwards. The same way you can use this one over here. Place the screw and bolt like this, and now you can see the rods are inserted. You just need to carefully make this arrangement of rods like this. So now it is not moving downwards, it is fixed. However, it can move upwards little bit. So you just need to be sure this wings or this side rods be like this, and we will fix all this now onwards. So we have made 3 steps of this cloth hanger. Now what you need to do, you need to put this thicker and smaller rods in this base like this. Then we have to put the first one on top of this. So it's stable, as you can see. So this is, we got the first step of this cloth hanger. Now we will put a top on this. And the same style which has this on second step. So this one will go on second. Now we will put the last step on top of this. So you can see that the height of this cloth hanger is almost 5 feet 5 inch. So it is coming around my height. And now this is the last step, which is having this kind of slots will go on top of this, right? So we will put this. So you have given the provision to move this because it can be moved. So this is given to correctly, to precisely increase or decrease this hole size. Now be sure, so this side will not come like this because it is bending. So remove this. It has to be like this, so it is now fixed. In the same way on the other side. So now it will get fixed, and you will put these hangers on over here. Downward. Okay, so you can move this like this, and the same over here. And you have to tighten this from this screw. So you have to tighten the screw using a screwdriver so that this will not move. In the same way we will tighten all this, and you can see that you are getting this 3 strands of 3 steps of this cloth hanger on which you can dry your clothes. And we will put these wheels on bottom of this. So now we have to place these wheels. So you can see that there are 2 different types of wheels, one with this locking system and one with no lock system. So this locking system, you can put it forward over here, so it moves all the way down, right? And this unlocking wheel, you can put it on this bottom. So this unlocking wheel will go on bottom side. So you can see this hole on the corner, on the corner side. You can place this like this, and this locking wheel go on front on top of this hole, where you can easily insert this in this way. So in this way you can put the wheels. And now let's see. Easily move this cloth hanger as per your convenience using this wheels, which you can see on the bottom. So it is locked. Now it is unlocked. this can happen if you haven't make this connection correctly, but it can be kind of, because the rods are not of quite good length, it is if you like छोड़ दे इसको मदद कर दे. So if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel, Wise Man. Thank you. So you can place hangers over here. And you can place the toggles like this, or if it is lengthy,